My name is Chaitanya Kishore Kurmatkar. I have been in this course for the last 3 months. It has been an incredible journey in Digital Trainee. Mr. Prashant Kadukar sir and Mr. Akshay Pawar sir both helped me in my journey to sail through this digital marketing course. They helped me not only boost my confidence but also how to apply practical digital marketing skills in real life. For those who are looking to sail in their career in digital marketing and wants to explore the world of digital marketing, I would highly recommend Digital Trainee to join and explore the field, the nuances of digital marketing. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Snehal Tanpure. I recently completed my digital marketing class from Digital Trainee. This course gave me an overall practical knowledge about SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, also about my website. The assignment helped me to work on my digital marketing skills. I also made one website. I got to know how real-time digital marketing executive work. So overall, the concept was taught very properly. They gave us real-time experience examples, which made digital marketing very easy. I recommend this class to everyone as they is digital marketing.
Hello, my name is Yash Viddesh Pathavat. I have studied from digital marketing. ॲक्च्युली या कोर्समध्ये सगळंच काही कव्हर करतात. आपलं मेटा, गुगल, मेल मार्केटिंग, यूट्यूब, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर, म्हणजे जेवढं काय असेल सोशल मीडियावर ते सगळं कव्हर करण्यात येतं. फॅकल्टी खूप सपोर्टिंग आहे. काही डाऊट्स घ्या, कितीही वेळ बसा नंतर क्लासच्या. सो दॅट्स रिअली वर्थ इट. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आय हायली रिकमेंड डिजिटल ट्रेनी. तुम्हाला करायचं आहे तर इथनं करू शकता. रिअली सपोर्टिंग ऑल स्टाफ अँड को स्टाफ ॲज वेल. Thank you.
My name is Akash Abhay Padarkar. I joined Digital Trainee for digital marketing course 3 months back. It was really a nice course, and there were so many subjects to learn from our trainers, specifically Mr. Akshay Pawar. And I learned so many skills and so many subjects regarding the digital marketing or the IT industry, so which can help me in the future for getting at least a good job, or even if I want to start a new business on my own terms. So this course was very helpful. Also, I would like to mention that the office staff was also really great. They were very cooperative. Even if I was missing something, they used to assist me in each and every step. Also, I got a lot of guidance, not about present but also about for future considerations regarding like any job interview or something, like how to face the clients or how to face the common public or how to face your seniors in the IT industry or whatever job you are doing. So according to me, digital training is truly a practical digital marketing institute. It is rightly said by Mr. Prashant sir that it is the practical digital marketing course. And it not only gives you knowledge, but it also gives you the power or the confidence to do the practicality about the subject of the job. And I am really thankful to all the people, right from Prashant sir to all my trainers and all my colleagues in the class, and also all the office staff. So throughout, I am very thankful to Digital Trainee classes.
Hi, my name is Saloni Satpute. I recently completed my digital marketing course in Digital Trainee. I gained hands-on practice on live projects, real-time projects. We also gained assignments on live Meta Ads, Google Ads, and SEO and website creation. The trainers are very supportive here.
Hello, my name is Vishakha Vaibhav Shivai. I joined Digital Trainee class for my future and good job. It really helped me a lot. Akshay sir made the practical projects and everything very simple and in a very practical way, and it was simple to understand everything. I really enjoyed the whole journey of 3 to 2.5 months. It was a great day. I learned SEO, Google Ads, and many more skills that can help me in my future, and it was totally worth it.
Hi guys, मैं यहाँ पे डिजिटल ट्रेनी सेंटर में हूँ और यहाँ पे मैंने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के लिए कोर्स ज्वाइन किया था.
हमारे मेंटोर अक्षय सर हैं, तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से सारे एड्स वगैरह कैसे बनाते हैं वो प्रॉपर उन्होंने सिखाया है। उसमें मेटा एड्स है, इंस्टाग्राम वाले हैं, देन व्हाट्सएप है, देन गूगल एड्स है। वो इतने अच्छे से समझाए हैं, उसमें रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स भी रिलेटेड है और प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज मिला है। और जिसको भी अगर ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स करना है तो आई विल रिकमेंड डिजिटल ट्रेनिंग।
Hi, myself Bhavna Revedkar. I recently completed my 3 months training in Digital Trainee. And trust me, ते खरंच प्रॅक्टिकली डिजिटल मार्केटिंग शिकवतात. मार्केटमध्ये जेवढे काही क्लासेस आहेत मी खूप सर्वे करून इथे अप्लाय केलं होतं आणि यांच्यासोबत शिकताना मला खूप सारे नॉलेज भेटलं आणि खरंच वर्थ इट आहे.
Myself, Pranaraj Yadav, I am from Nanded. Joining Digital Trainee was one of the best decisions of my life. The trainers explained everything in a simple and practical way. The live project helped me to gain confidence. I learned SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, social media, and which will help me in my life.
Digital Trainee.